Good morning, everybody. I want to show you an extension this morning that's called DriveSlides, all one word, and it is an extension that will let you take a folder full of photographs or images and quickly make a slideshow out of it where one image appears on each slide. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and get the extension. And DriveSlides is all one word. And when you search for it, that is what the icon looks like. You're going to see a blue button that says get it, and that's what you need to do. Once you do that, you will see it appearing right up here, and it will be grayed out just like mine is. It will not show up in color until you go to Google Drive, which we're going to do right now. So here is a folder that I have full of images that I pulled off the web for this demonstration, and I'm going to make a slideshow by going up here, clicking on that DriveSlides icon. It will ask you for some permissions the first time that you use it, like everything in Google does. And in just a few seconds, it will create that slideshow and automatically open it for you. And you can see that it has dropped really nicely and neatly one image on each of my slides. And that's how easy and quick this particular extension is to use. If you have any questions, see your ITRT.